We are pleased to show you the 2021 NV. You're a lot more than what it says on your calling card, and you need your vehicle to be more than a van. You demand innovation and versatility. You need it to be your mobile office, your workshop, and your billboard on wheels. The Nissan NV is for you. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, wheel covers, steel wheels, fourth passenger door, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, tires front all season. Come take a test drive today.